Zoom in on these ones specifically, the ones that have taken your intestines as their homes. Well, actually, your gut is filled with at least 1,000 different types of bacteria.
The yogic sense, we are talking about this as a sacred vein. But the medical science calls it a vagabond because it is all over the place.
Vinkit studied 39 individuals with chronic fatigue syndrome. It's a syndrome characterized by severe anxiety, depression, and long-term exhaustion. Well, these 39 individuals studied were split into two different groups. The first group received a bacterial strain for 2 months, while the other group received only a placebo or a fake drug. And after 2 months, the group which received the bacterial strain showed significant decrease in anxiety with respect to the other group, which means the bacteria worked.
The neurological system that whether you're a man or a woman, you experience it, that when certain things happen, something seems to be happening here. Well, this is something which is very well addressed in the yogic sciences, but I was surprised to know that now the medical science is recognizing this aspect in a big way. That is, there is a gut brain, there is a brain in your stomach. Nearly 100,000 neurons are invested from esophagus down to the colon, along the alimentary canal. There is a brain, there is an intelligence functioning. Fortunately, it does not generate thought, otherwise you would be in trouble. But there is an intelligence, there's a neurological system invested in that direction. And this intelligence is not entirely ours, in the sense, there are probably billions, if not trillions, I don't know the numbers, of bacteria and viruses and other microbial substance. Some of them are full-fledged life, some of them are half-lives, some of them aspiring to be life, but all of them playing a role. And they have a significant influence on how you think and feel. It's not just this new virus that's come which is making you think in a specific way. There's a whole lot of microorganisms, particularly in your stomach region, who are able to influence even your vagus vein. A vagus vein means generally it is in the yogic sense, we are talking about this as a sacred vein. But the medical science calls it a vagabond because it is all over the place and for a long time they did not realize what is its purpose. So if somebody goes all around without any perceived sense of purpose, then we say he is a vagabond. So in that sense, they said it's a vagabond or a vagus vein. In yoga, this vein is seen as a sacred part of your body because if you have a certain pleasant influence upon the vagus, it determines how your experience is, your mood. I don't like to use this word, but this is the term. Your mood modulations are managed. Your neuroplasticity or your ability to shift and change according to situations or at different times of your life according to the requirement of your life is enormously enhanced if your vagus is well influenced Now there is evidence to show that more than you, the microbes can influence the functioning of the vagus vein. That means the microbes in your stomach can decide whether you are happy or unhappy. So, welcome to the world of virus, because microorganisms have played such a significant role in who we are, both in terms of our physiological evolution over these millions of years and who you are as a person right now. That one can do what is the small things that everybody can do. The important thing is to keep the gut in a complex condition. That means the microbial condition must be a real cocktail of life within you. That means one thing is you should not be drinking any of the popular disinfectants, because you should not disinfect your body. Hands, okay. That is because you may touch something where there is this particular virus.